Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you this very easy everyday eye look using just only 3 eyeshadows. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I'm going to first prime my eyelids. I'm using the LA Pro Conceal Concealer to prime my eyelids, and I'm applying this with a concealer brush that I got off of Amazon. I've been using concealer as a primer for quite some time, and I must say I really like it. So priming my lids is going to take out any discoloration from my eyelid and also going to make sure that my eyeshadow stays flawless all day. So now in today's video, I wanted to do a really soft look, and I'm going to start by using this really peachy pink color. It's a really beautiful color. I'm going to start blending this all the way from the inner corners to the outer corners. So this shade is just going all over in the crease. This is gonna be the base color for today's eye look. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna use 3 eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use this shade in the crease. The next I'm gonna take one color all over the eyelids, and I'm gonna use one shade to define my lash line, which is actually optional, but because you could also do this eye look with just 2 shades and you'd be good to go. Now after blending this shade all over the crease, I'm going to use it for the lower lash line as well. I'm taking a flat definer brush and I'm gently going back and forth to really deposit the color on the lower lash line. As you can see, I'm going back and forth and just smudging it all out. So now the next shade is this one, which is a peachy pink shimmer shade. It has a beautiful pink reflex to it and it's really pretty. If you recreate this eye look, you can definitely use any other shimmery shades as well. You can definitely give your own twist to this, but I wanted to go for a shade which kind of suits really well with the eye color I used all over in the crease. So I just used my finger to apply this shade all over my eyelid, but you can definitely use a brush as well. But just make sure to wet the brush using a setting spray and then apply it over the lid so that the shade is more intense. But I went in with my finger to give it a more softer finish. So now next I'm going to take this dark matte brown color using a flat definer brush, and I'm going to be placing that above the lash line. Now this is kind of an optional step because I was looking at this eye look and I was like, this is looking really natural. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I just needed something to intensify the look and I didn't want to go in with eyeliner, so I lined my eyes with some brown matte eyeshadow. And using eyeshadow gives a way much more softer finish. So now for the waterline, I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil in the shade Calling Your Buff, which is a really beautiful neutral color pencil. I didn't use white in the waterline because I felt it might be too harsh and this was more of a neutral tone, so I went with this one. And then for my mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras. I'm applying a thin coat on the lashes because I'm not really focusing on them since I'm going to be going in with some false eyelashes. So now for my lashes, I'm gonna take these false eyelashes and apply them straight above the lash line. I'm using a pair of tweezers to press them against the skin of my eye, and the lash glue I'm using is the Adrel lash glue in the shade White. Ready to explore. And this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching. It's a super easy everyday look. If you don't want to wear false eyelashes with this eye look, you can definitely skip this step. I know lashes always makes it seem more dramatic, but I personally really love wearing false eyelashes. But if you already have beautiful eyelashes, you can just finish it off with some mascara and you're good to go. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and I really hope to see you all in the next one. Bye bye.